Now, if you're anything like me, you're super lazy and you reuse documents that you've created before. So, for example, proposals or invoices or even project plans or I don't know, documents that you kind of just save as and then change some details and then use it for a new client. So, what you have to be careful of is that AutoSave has been brought out, and AutoSave works for any documents stored in OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, and SharePoint Online. So, your documents will actually autosave automatically after a couple of seconds. So, if this was a proposal that I used for a client previously and I open this and I'll start making changes to it, it's going to actually save over that original document. So please keep in mind that when you do save this document, if you make changes to it, if you want to make changes to it and save it as a new copy, you need to just first save it as a new copy before you start making changes to it. So any of the changes then that you want to make to it in the new copy of the document, you would definitely want to then first save the document. You'll see the autosave at the top there. If it doesn't show, you can actually switch it on to show at the top. And all I did was I clicked on automatically save to show that button so that I can see it at the top. This is of course in Excel and in Word and in PowerPoint as well. And how do I know the autosave location as well to my file? So if I go to File and I go to Options, you can actually see under Save, you'll see that it says AutoSave OneDrive and SharePoint Online files by default in Word, and then also save files in this format. How often does it also save your document, and then keep the last auto-recovered version if you close it without saving. And this is where it'll show you where it actually saves those. It also gives you the default local file location as well as where it puts the templates that you create in Word. So please keep in mind that it does auto-save, so it will save over current documents. If that's not your intention, if you mean to create a new document, then rather go and save the document first as a new document before you actually go and make changes to the document. Something that also got released in the last couple of months, no idea when, and I have blogged about this before, is this cool little drop down that you'll see at the top here of all your documents that shows me where the document is stored. It also gives me the ability to share or get a link from here, and it also gives me all the versions that I've created with this document. So quite a cool tip. Please remember autosave. First save your document as a new document before starting to make changes, because it will save over the existing document automatically. I hope that saves you a bit of time and also avoids some frustrations based on the fact that you didn't realize that it will autosave over your documents.